Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Save any open drafts and attachments so nothing is lost. Once done, open the Mail app on Mac OS or on iPhone. Go to Settings, then Mail. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have your Apple ID password handy since the app may ask to confirm changes. You want to reach accounts quickly. On Mac OS, choose Mail Preferences Accounts. On iOS, tap Accounts. These steps get you to the controls that actually sign you out. Now select the specific email account in Accounts. On Mac OS, uncheck Mail to stop fetching messages, or click the minus button to remove the account entirely. On iOS, tap the account, then Delete Account. Confirm any prompts and read the warning about removing messages from the device so you know what's kept on the server. If you only want to pause Mail, unchecking or toggling Mail off is enough. Removing the account severs the link entirely. This prevents new mail from arriving. Finish by quitting Mail and reopening it, or restart your device to ensure settings apply. Then compose a quick test message or check the account list to confirm Mail no longer connects. If Mail still appears signed in, make sure you remove the account in System Settings or Apple ID settings rather than just disabling Mail. Sometimes you must sign out of iCloud to fully disconnect. If removal fails, force quit, reboot, then try again. Using your Apple ID password, when prompted, resolves most confirmation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.